Hi, my name is Matt Kegelman. I'm a patient here for several years for Dr. Cicorelli and Dr. Massaro. And I'd like to start by telling a little bit about my tortured childhood. I had a dentist who didn't believe in Novocaine. You don't want Novocaine, do you? And it was absolutely torture. So much so that the last time I was living with my parents, about 17, 18, it was the last time I ever went to the dentist. And I didn't go again until I was in my mid-30s. And even though I had insurance, I was perfectly insured, it wouldn't have cost me hardly a thing. And I was just so afraid. And then I had to go. My younger brother, who was also tortured, his wife found a doctor that was known as the painless dentist. And that was Dr. Ralph Weinstein, and he was painless, all right, he was gentle, and all his hygienists just they would do my teeth and they would bleed, and they would say, "You don't floss," and I said, and they made me feel real guilty about it, and then they'd clean them, and but he was great, and I was satisfied. I was going again every 6 months like I should have, and then he took a leave of absence for an unknown amount of time, so I needed a new dentist because I believed in going to dentist again. And someone in my family, probably my parents and a couple others, probably went to Dr. Connie Cicorelli and said, "All right, I'll give her a try." And she was even more painless. I did not even know the needle was in, and she was done. And she had a hygienist who was the first one not to make me feel guilty, and she had a little sign on her wall that said, "Tell me and I'll forget, show me and I'll remember for a little while, but get me involved and I will remember for a long time." And she got down and actually showed me and had me doing the flossing properly, probably for the first time ever. And ever since then I learned to floss. And I come back here and my gums don't bleed when they do that. And then there was one time when Dr. Cicorelli herself was gone, and she had Mary Jo Massaro taking her place. And I remember sitting and telling her, before you start, because she was going to do some drilling, before you start, I got to tell you my story. And I told her just what I just told you about my fear. I mean, it's illogical. I'm a smart guy, mathematician and all, and I know it was illogical, but there's nothing you can do about fear. It's primal. It transcends your mind. And I just said, how this is it. And she did an amazing thing. I was worried, even now. Did you put enough in? Did it go to the right place? What if it's not? It starts hurting her. And usually when the dentist gives you the Novocaine, they just go away. And she knew I was like a little special case. She sat with me while it took place. And that was really special. So it's a good place to go. I highly recommend it. I'm Matthew Kegelman. Bye.
I have been coming to Dr. Cicorelli about 13 years, and prior to that, I was going to another dentist's office near my house, actually. I just was not happy. I just felt it was cold. I was just another patient of theirs. But, you know, since I've been coming to Dr. Cicorelli, I don't even consider her as my dentist. The staff is amazing. They truly care about their patient, and I love the personal feeling that I get when I come in here. They go their extra mile to just little things, just sending me thank you notes. Every holidays, this place is just joy to come to because they decorate every holidays, and they really, really makes you feel like you are part of the family. And I just love that about, you know, Dr. Cicorelli's office. And I'm married to a physician, you know, and I know a lot of doctors' offices just don't have that. And of course, my husband has been a patient of theirs for 25 or 30 years. I can't keep up, but again, I cannot say enough. I just feel very cared for. Truly, they appreciate my just coming here as a patient. I'm just not a number. I don't know what to say. I feel very really that I feel considered very lucky to have them as my dentist.
I'm Mary Lou Galantino, and I have been a patient here at Dr. Cicorelli's for over 15 years. And probably the greatest gift that I find in service here is the ability to care for both myself and my husband, but also our two children who are now 13 and 11, and they have also been part of the practice since their teeth just broke through. So I have to tell you that it is extremely comforting to know that, number one, the front desk is always willing to make appointments when there's emergencies or other considerations, and the friendliness that greets us every time we come into this office is quite priceless. Dr. Cicorelli and her associates have just been unwavering in their care for us, and it doesn't get better than that when you have a service that is always there for you, always walking you through some difficult times, and clearly there for the highest good of our oral health. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Maddie Pack, and I'm 13 years old. I have been here since my teeth broke through, and I have had my share of cavities. Here at Dr. Cicorelli and her associates, they have kept my teeth clean and filled in the cavities, so it's like the best that they could do. Thank you.
When I think about why we chose the Cicorelli dentistry group, as a mother of 5, of course, you're concerned. You want your children to feel excited about coming to the dentist. Maybe not excited, but not nervous at all. And I know Connie outside of the dentistry world, know her as a mom, a wife, and know what a great woman in person she is. And actually thought, hey, let's try Dr. Cicorelli. Hearing great things about the practice. Well, it was a very, very easy transition, and we've been with the practice really long, and I can say all 5 children are extremely happy here. There's a family atmosphere. The entire staff is a reflection of Connie herself, and that's a tough thing to accomplish in a practice. So I'd recommend to anyone. In fact, we have, when you have so many children, you get the question, what doctor do you see? What dentist do you see? Where do you go when you have where do you take your children when they have broken bones, which has been many times. And we have recommended the Cicorelli dentistry group, and we've been very, very pleased. And we have a few more years to go here. So thanks for allowing us this opportunity to speak on their behalf, and once again, come see what the practice is all about.
Hi, I'm Tommy Shoemaker. I've been coming here for about 8 years, and I just really love it here. Most people think of, bad experiences when they come to the dentist, but I just have all these great experiences. Picking toys out of the toy basket that they have here, and they always make it a great experience. It's a family atmosphere. Everyone on the staff is great, friendly, and sociable, and there's never anything bad that happens here, and it's such a great time when I come here.
Hi, I'm Katie Shoemaker. I've been coming here for a while now, and I love it. The staff here is just amazing. They're always welcoming, and they're always being nice to us and smiling, greeting us, and we all know them very well, and everybody likes each other here, and it's just fun. I thank you for everything, and it's been great.
Hi, my name is Andy Mack. I am with Dr. Cicorelli. I'm Dr. Cicorelli patient for more than 10 years. How I know Dr. Cicorelli is referred by my previous dentist. When I moved to North Wilmington, I asked one of my previous dentists that can she refer me to the good dentist in North Wilmington, and my previous dentist referred me to Dr. Cicorelli. Myself is I'm working as a director of MetLife, in charge of the financial advisors. My background is I'm Chinese. I graduated from Boston University. I have an MBA degree there. As I graduated from one of the good schools, I'm very picky. Picky my doctor. Doesn't matter my family doctor or my dentist, because they are take care of me. So therefore, that is I check. I'm very picky that where is my dentist graduate from, and I found out that this Dr. Cicorelli is graduate from one of the prestigious school, University of Michigan. So I was very impressed. I just want to share with you that is one of the story that Dr. Cicorelli did a very, very good job. That previously I have a dental implant done by my previous dentist, and I think it's about 80%, not 100% perfect. So when I came to this office and Dr. Cicorelli looked at it, and of course Dr. Cicorelli want to have a 100% perfect, so she made a correction. And just want to share with you that is she totally spent 5 hours, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours to repairing and make a correction on my tooth. As a patient, I was just laying down there, not doing anything, but all the dirty work is landed to Dr. Cicorelli, and she has to really, really patiently and make the correction for 5 hours. I know that Dr. Cicorelli won't give up until it's 100% perfect, even just a tooth. I just, as I always telling my wife, I know that I am in good hand. I know Dr. Cicorelli not only has a good technique hand, and also she has a good patient hand too, very patient and very care. I just want to say thank you, and just want to say I appreciate that all the good work and all the hard work that Dr. Cicorelli work on me. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sean, and it's really fun to come here because everyone's nice. It's not scary at all, and you get to talk with everyone here, and they're really cool about it and get to know you. Thank you.
I really like this dentist office because the staff is really nice, and they always try to connect with you and have conversations, and they make it like a fun thing to come here, and I always look forward to it, unlike most people. Like, some people don't like coming to the dentist, but it's fun here. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Margie. I'm a licensed clinical social worker and a psychotherapist. And I have to tell you, I've been with Connie for the last 25 years and look forward to the next 25. One of the biggest things that's impressed me about Connie is the fact that we met when she was volunteering for one of the programs I'm involved with, and I thought, how cool is that? Here's somebody who's got their own practice, a dentist who's volunteering 1 day a week, and I think it was at the Nemours Center. And to me, that just struck me to the depth and the degree of Connie's integrity and commitment, her grace, and truly the style in which she performs her profession. When I walk through the doors to the practice, it's very evident that Connie has taken the time to make sure that each personality of the staff members is going to blend together to make this a very comfortable experience. And in fact, Connie actually performs and gives a psychological assessment test to her clients, to her patients, to her staff, to make sure that there is that camaraderie and that commitment to the service that they all perform. And from the beginning to the end, you truly, truly feel that. You know, Connie is really much more than a professional dentist to me. She is someone who lives her life in belief and in faith, and shows that in the way she performs her skills. She's detailed-oriented. She will advocate and go to the nth degree to make sure that my comfort level and my satisfaction is exactly the way I want it to be. The follow-up calls, the concern, the empathy that comes across is just very, very evident. It's really something that you need to experience with Connie. So I just am blessed that I know Connie, not only as a person, but certainly as a professional who does make this world a better place and makes coming to the dentist really a joy. So I thank you, and Connie, thank you, because you are a gift.
Hi, my name is Pat Provato, and I'm born in New York, but I moved to Delaware in 1988, so I've been here 25 years. And when you go to a new place, you know, finding a doctor, finding a hairdresser, and finding a dentist are some of the most important things. Margie and I, my partner, found Dr. Cicorelli through a friend, and we've been coming here for 25 years. Now, I must say, I had 1 year where I left Connie because I had dental insurance and I had another dentist. Dentist did not treat me well, and I ended up coming back, and Connie embraced me with all her skills and, like I said, saved my teeth because that was the problem I was having. One of the things I like about Connie and her staff, it feels like a family. They're very warm, they're very embracing, and also very skilled. You know, when Connie tells me I need something, when I have a problem or anything like that, I know I feel confident. I don't have to feel that she's trying to, you know, cheat me or anything like that. I have complete confidence in Connie Cicorelli's staff and in Connie Cicorelli herself.
Hi, my name is Judy Safransky. I've been a patient of Dr. Cicorelli since she took over the practice from Dr. McCutcheon back around 1990, so it's been almost 25 years. I very much enjoy being a patient here. Dentistry is not always a fun thing to have to do as a patient, but they have always been very supportive, very gentle, very concerned about your well-being. The staff is very friendly. The doctor is incredibly professional, very warm, always makes me feel like my needs are very important, and I'm always glad to come in and have the work done here. So I would encourage all my friends. I've made referrals of my friends to come here to the doctor's office, and we continue to encourage people to come and check it out. It's a great place for dental work. Thanks very much.
Hi, I'm Dr. Cicorelli. Thank you for visiting my website. I truly enjoy practicing dentistry and try to make every patient experience here a pleasant one. I'm also a wife and mother. I understand the importance of communication, especially in healthcare decisions. I invite you to call my office today. Thank you.